Air travel is one of the hardest sectors to decarbonize. With our zeolites, used cooking oils from homes, restaurants, and industry can be turned into sustainable aviation fuels. Long-chain paraffins derived from the oils are rich in energy. But to burn well in jet engines, they are too straight. AEL-type zeolites sieve out and transform these paraffins. When charged at special active sites, their structure becomes branched in the presence of hydrogen. Branched isoparaffins burn more efficiently and cleanly, ideal for recycling-based and efficient airplane fuels. With over 50 years of experience in zeolite innovation, Clariant provides specialty zeolites that can make energy-intensive production processes substantially more sustainable. Our integrated global network delivers solutions that are tailored to our customers' needs. Together, let's work to realize the renewable future the next generation deserves. Let's connect to discuss how our expertise in zeolites can empower your sustainability goals.